To help us move products successfully around the system, we have these mobile robots, or Robotinos. We're going to do a short example of moving a product from the CP lab over to the CP factory. We have a product that's ready to go and is waiting on our CP factory lab belt. The Robotino will move into the correct position to pick up this product. First, the Robotino will perform a docking process. It's going to use the LiDAR that's at the bottom to find these two holographic panels. Then it's going to use some of the infrared sensors at the top of the robot to make sure that it's perfectly straight and aligned with the system. Once that's done, it will load the product onto the conveyor belt. Once it's happy that the product is in the correct position, the robot will undock and move away slowly from the system, and then begin its journey over towards our CP factory. We've set up a one-way system in this room as a kind of traffic control, so it's treating this central island as a bit of a roundabout, which is why it's taking this longer route. As the Robotino moves around the room, it's using the LiDAR to scan and detect obstacles. This means that if it detects something in the way, like me, for example, the system should come to a stop until it observes that the error has moved out of the way. At that point, the robot resumes its normal operation. Finally, the robot moves towards the CP factory docking point. Again, we'll see the docking process. First, it will align itself using the holographic panels at the bottom, then using the infrared sensors near the top to make sure that it is perfectly straight and centered. Finally, the pallet is unloaded from the Robotino and its job is completed. We really hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of the Robotino here at GBSIoT.